guys, it's Angie from Home Sweet Home with the Lid Off. I am so excited to show you guys a couple simple, easy gift ideas for the holidays. So let's get started. My top 6 ideas for homemade gifts. So the first one I'm going to show you is just super easy chocolate chip cookie recipe. So all you're going to do is, in this jar, it's just a mason jar with one of the white capped lids. You're going to put in regular sugar, brown sugar, and then the chocolate chips. Add your baking soda and your salt, and that is going to give you the little cute gift idea. What I did here is I just printed off a recipe card, and this is just going to be the front and the back is going to have the directions on how to make the cookies. With that, you are going to let them know that they need to add the wet ingredients and the flour. If you were to try to add flour to this, it just wouldn't fit, as you can see, because this recipe calls for 3.5 cups. So you're definitely going to leave that out. But super simple, super easy, super inexpensive. So I just wanted to show you that one. Next up, if any of you have canned over the summer, this is one of those really simple, easy, again, gifts to give for the holidays, is one of your jars of jam. I actually made this over the summer. I made raspberry jam. And so I was able to have a couple jars left over that I could share. So this one's super easy. Again, I keep saying super easy because they're all super easy. But this one is really simple because all you have to do is put the tag on it. You can also do a bow. You can dress these up as much as you want. But just for time's sake and for savings on cost, I just wanted to show a simple, inexpensive way for you guys, especially with the year that we're having. So keep that in mind. You can dress them up as much as you want to and make them super fancy. This one is just more for the kiddos than anything. It would make a really good stocking stuffer. It is just Mexican hot chocolate put into a mason jar with one of the cap lids and a gift tag with your little message. You can also attach a candy cane to this or a little bag of marshmallows. You could go with a little bit bigger jar if you wanted to and add the marshmallows inside. That would also be a good idea. So another cute little gift, easy to make. Another one of my favorites is going to be the sourdough starter. What a perfect gift. If you watched my video on how to make sourdough, you know that it takes time. So in order to save time for people, you can just gift them their own starter. All they have to do is put this into a larger jar and just keep going, and then they can start using it a lot faster than creating their own sourdough starter. I've gifted these many of times. This one I just put in a cute little mech jar. You can get these mech jars off of Amazon. I love them just because they are a little bit different. They have clips and a little orange ring on them, but you can make any cute jar look pretty. So this one is super easy. You just want to make sure that you are putting this in the refrigerator before you're gifting it. You are going to, you don't want it to ferment too long sitting out. So keep it in the fridge until the day that you're going to gift it, and make sure that you give the directions on how to take care of it when you gift it. If you haven't watched the video on how to make sourdough starter, go back and take a look at that. Another one of my favorite things, I actually have not shown you guys how to do this yet, how to make kombucha. However, this is a jar that's already been made. This is in its second fermentation. So at this point, you have to burp it. You have to keep going with it until it's to your liking, and then you refrigerate it. So again, this is something that you're going to refrigerate, or you can give it to them right after you make it and then just give them the directions on how to burp it every day so that the bottle doesn't explode. But you're just going to want to give this and also refrigerate it so it slows down that fermentation and that the bubbles don't get too much for the bottle. You can add whatever flavors you want into kombucha, and that is going to be a future video, so we'll go over that more. But just a simple, easy gift to give away. Something that you're already making. That's what I love about these, is stuff that I'm already making. I'm already using it in my kitchen. I'm not having to go out and spend hundreds of dollars, even $50. All of these things I've already had. Mason jars are so inexpensive. You can get them in bulk. And last but not least, my favorite, vanilla. It's such a simple, easy recipe. You literally, all you need are 2 ingredients. You need your vanilla beans. They come in like a kind of a carton that has this in the middle, and then you obviously just take the glass out. It comes with 5 vanilla beans. These I get at Costco for under $15. Super inexpensive. Because if you buy a jar of vanilla, you're spending anywhere from $20 to $30 on a good bottle of vanilla. And then your vodka. So this lasts, these, you marry these together, they become the vanilla, but the beans last forever. So you don't have to continue to buy beans. If you're giving these away as gifts, this is probably one of the most expensive gifts that you can give away, but in all reality, it's $13. You've got your jar, which is just a couple dollars, and then your vodka. If you get a bigger bottle of vodka, you can actually fill these up more, so you'd have more to give away. But it's definitely worth making your own vanilla. So with that being said, this one is 2 years old. So I actually the only thing you have to do is just keep topping it with your vodka. So the beans stay in there and you don't have to do anything else. It's so easy to take care of and it tastes so good. So it's simple, it's easy, and it's really inexpensive to make as well. So that, my friends, is the top 6 easy, inexpensive gifts that you can give away for the holidays to your friends and family. I hope you enjoy. I'd love to hear if you make any of these in the comments below. And if you haven't seen my other videos, check those out on how to make your sourdough. And then also make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell button. Have a blessed holiday.